Hey, I'm Mike from Conexwest, here with another container. The thing next to me is a 20-foot high cube new. The difference between a high cube and a standard is 1 foot in height. But other than that, the dimensions are very similar. It's 20 feet long, 8 feet wide, but 9 feet 6 inches tall. We still have the same forklift pockets that go all the way through, and we have the 2 vents that go from outside to inside with a little mesh to keep out the critters and Mother Nature. Up here are the 2 large cargo doors with galvanized steel rods and the lockbox. And the new containers, or as we call them, one-trippers, they come in a few different colors. This is one of them. If you guys want to pause the video now, it's a great time to check out all these numbers. They have a little bit more specifications. When opening these doors, always start with the right. The right door is the right start, and then we move on to the left. And all these containers are wind and water tight, even our used versions of these containers. The step up into the container is 6 inches high, and the floor is marine grade plywood. And that's common for most boxes, but some even come in bamboo. On the perimeter on the bottom, we have lashing rings, as well as the top, and those little holes are the vents. And just like any other container, if you plan on spending time inside with the doors closed, these vents will not be enough, and we highly recommend installing some ventilation systems that we offer that you can check out on our site. The interior dimensions here are going to be 7 feet 8 inches wide, 8 feet 10 inches tall, and 19 feet 2 inches long. So once again, very similar to our standard 20. This is just a standard 20 high cube. The main difference being the 1 foot extra clearance up top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check us out at conexwest.com for more details, where you can just buy and rent with the click of a mouse. See you guys next time.